Need an easy way to coordinate your business operations and field teams from one interactive map? Whether you're managing retail stores, warehouses, or field staff, a shareable map helps everyone stay connected while keeping sensitive information secure. In this video, I'll show you how to create a shareable map for business operations and field teams using MAPOG. First, go to story.mapog.com and click Create and Publish Map. Next, select Open Workspace. Then click Create New Map. Choose with Template and select the Store Mapper template. Then, enter your map title and description. Click Create Map. Once Map opens, go to Map Setting and upload your custom logo to personalize your map. Now click Add Location and choose Upload CSV. Before uploading your data, click the Select Business Location Template Settings icon and select New Type. Enter a name for your location type. Choose your preferred marker color and select Point as the geometry type. Next, create your custom attributes by adding fields such as Location ID, Location Name, Team, Status, Priority, Manager, Contact, and Last Updated. Make sure each attribute uses the correct field type. For example, Location ID and Location Name should be text fields, Status, Team, and Priority should be drop-down fields, Contact should be a phone field, and Last Updated should be a date field. Once you've created all the attributes, save the template by clicking Create Type. And return to the upload page. Now select the template you just created from the drop-down and upload your prepared CSV or Excel file. Before submitting your file, make sure the unique ID field is mapped correctly and that all CSV columns are matched with their corresponding attributes. Select latitude and longitude as the location type and map the latitude and longitude columns from your CSV to ensure the locations are placed accurately on the map. Your locations will now appear on the map. To make your map more informative, you can also customize the appearance by opening layer style and changing marker colors, icons, labels, or other styling options based on your requirements. If you need to update any information later, simply click the pencil icon, choose Edit Business Location Details, and modify the required fields. Now click Preview and Share. Under Map Type, you'll see two sharing options, Public and Private. Public maps can be shared with anyone using a link or embedded on a website. For this tutorial, we'll choose Private, which is ideal for secure internal collaboration. Next, open the Settings tab and go to Attributes. Select your location type. Then choose which fields your collaborators can see and hide any sensitive information. Now switch to the Access tab and click Add User. If the user is already part of your workspace, simply select them, assign a map role. Editor can update locations, edit map content, and manage collaborators, ideal for an operations manager or GIS team lead. Viewer has read-only access, making it suitable for business executives or clients who only need to monitor operations and click Invite. If they aren't part of your workspace yet, click Add Member, enter their email address, assign a workspace role. Admin has full control of the workspace, including maps, users, layers, and settings. Or you can choose others, which include editor viewer contributors. Once you've selected the required members and assign their map access roles, click Invite. Now you can select the newly added member and assign them a suitable role. The selected members will receive access to the map with only the permissions you've assigned, making collaboration secure, organized, and easy to manage. For more helpful tutorials on interactive mapping, be sure to visit our channel and explore our latest videos. If you need any help with uploading data, creating map stories, performing map analysis, or GIS and mapping consultancy, feel free to contact us anytime at support@mapog.com. Thanks for watching.